first example is two cubes each of side 6 centimeter are joined together. Two cubes. Observe this. Let first cube is this and second cube is this. When we join together, we will join like this. It is 6 centimeter, it is also 6 centimeter. Breadth is also 6 centimeter, its breadth is also 6 centimeter. Because in cubical box, length, breadth and height are same. What will be effect? Length will be doubled and breadth will be same and height will also be same. When two solids join together, then length will be doubled. Length of this cube and length of this cube will be added. Breadth will remain the same and height will remain the same. Name the new solid form. What is the name of new solid now? This cube, it is also cube. When they join together, the new solid form named cuboid. Name the new solid form and also its volume. Now, how to write? Cube new solid form cuboid. New length. What will be the new length? 6 plus 6, which is 12 centimeter. Breadth, new breadth, only 6 centimeter. New height is 6 centimeter. Then its volume of cuboid is L, B and H. L multiplied by B multiplied by H. What is L? 12. What is B? 6. And what is H? 6. 12 6 are 72 multiplied by 6. 6 2s are 12, 1. 6 7s are 42 and 1, 43. And what will be the unit? Centimeter cube. It is the answer. Answer 432 centimeter. Now next question is find height of cuboid whose volume is 275 centimeter cube and base area is 25 centimeter square. What is given? Volume. Volume of cuboid is 275 centimeter cube. What is the formula for volume of cuboid? L multiplied by B multiplied by H is equal to 275. Make one equation. Now second is base area is 25 centimeter square. What is the base area? What is the base of cuboid is rectangle, and what is the area of rectangle? L multiplied by B. It is 25. It is given. Put the value of LB from this equation, equation number 2, in equation number 1. LBH is 275. What is the value of LB? Is 25. It means 25 multiplied by H is equal to 275. H is 275 by 25. When you divide 275 by 25, you will get 11. And what will be 11? Centimeter. It is the height of cubite. 11 centimeter. What is given? Write. And then write its formula. Base area means LB. Area of floor. Base means what is the base of cubite is floor. And what is the area of floor? LB. Make two equations. From equation 2, put the value of LB in equation number 1. And you will find the value of H. Next question is, volume of a cube is 1000 centimeter cube. Find its total surface area. What is given? Volume of cube. Right. Volume of cube is 1000 centimeter cube. What is the volume of cube? Side cube. Side cube means A cube. 1000. It is the 10 raised to power 3. Therefore, A is 10. What is 10 centimeter? What is A? Length of side of cube. Length of side of cube is 10 centimeter. Now what we have to find? Its surface area, total surface area. Total surface area of cube. What is the formula for total surface area of cube? 6a square. 6 faces. Area of one face is a square. Area of 6 faces is 6a square. 6 multiplied by 10 square. 6 multiplied by 100, which is 600 centimeters square. It is the answer. I hope these questions will be clear to you. Thank you.